back! If you say it, how you like me now? How you like me now?
Mom, you're gonna make a mess!
How you like me now?
What's going? Mom!
I hate you, Button! I hate you!
I'm so happy.
Welcome back, JB Squad. If you're new to our channel, I'm Jasmine. It's my little sister.
Little sister?
I'm my mom.
She got confused. I'm her mom, Mermaid Mom. Her little sister isn't here today.
Yeah, because Bella's just watching a movie, right?
Yeah, she's watching a movie. Today, the button will be choosing our slime ingredients. And the way this challenge works is we're each going to go, like, you'll get a round and you'll try pressing the buttons until you find one that works. And when you find one that works, you have to choose whatever's in front of it. So, like, let's say these are all the buttons and you choose the green one, then you have to get the white glue. Everything else goes away. So the button will be choosing our ingredients. So we might end up with a good slime or a bad slime.
I'm gonna end up with a good slime. You're gonna end up with a bad slime.
Yeah.
I'm gonna win. You're gonna lose. No, I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
So without further ado, let's get started. And
Wait, guys, I meant whatever's behind the button, not in front of it, because the glues or whatever other stuff is going to be behind it. So just in case, because I just noticed.
Yeah. So
Okay.
let's do rock paper scissors to see who goes first.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Ah! I get to go first. Okay. So obviously I'm gonna want to go for the pink or the gold. I don't mind getting the white either, but which one do I choose? I'm scared. Okay. Ready? Ah! The first try! Sorry, sweetie.
I'm sure you're so sorry.
So I'm gonna move these out of the way.
That's what you get.
So I'm gonna have a pretty slime, and I'm gonna pour in this pink. So far I have pink. I'm gonna have a good slime. I think I'm gonna win this challenge.
Nah.
Who usually wins between me and you?
Me.
No, me. Okay. So now it's your turn.
It's round number 2. And now it's time for me to pick my glue.
I think you should go for the blue.
Really?
By the way, guys, Super Dad is the one changing out the buttons, so we have no idea which one works.
Okay, I'm gonna go for clear blue first. No! Okay, let's try blue. I like this blue color. No? Okay. It's between these two. And I think I'm gonna go for this one. Yay! Get green glue!
So far nobody has gotten a bad ingredient.
Let's add it in. Ooh, this is actually pretty.
So far we're both doing pretty good. Okay guys, so it's round 3 and we're going to do one more round. This is the last round of glues, and then after that it's going to be different stuff.
Okay.
So I'm nervous because again there's another black, and I don't know, not that there's anything wrong with black, but I don't want it to mess up my slime. So
Yeah,
I'm gonna
because
go for
like black takes over, so.
silver. Ah! Okay. Blue? No!
Well, you still have a chance of getting clear.
Really? Really?
Yeah. Who did you say was gonna win the challenge again?
Why? I just said it. Oh my god, it's messing up my
I feel bad
slime.
for you. You should only add half. I actually feel bad.
No, it's okay.
Look at how Gabby's slime.
I guess.
That's any better.
Should I put some on your?
No. Okay, guys, so it's round number 4, and it's my last chance to get a good glue. Okay, what will go
There's
good
not really that many bad colors, like.
Yeah, what will go good with green? Maybe yellow? Maybe you'll make a lighter green. No! Okay, my next option, I think sparkly. Green won't be bad. No, okay, now it's between these two. Wait, I've heard that red and green make brown, but I'm gonna go for white. I need to add in red. So now black slime and brown slime. Great colors.
You think it's gonna turn brown?
I don't know.
Let's see.
I'm gonna add the whole thing. Maybe the red will take over, hopefully.
What do you guys think? Comment down below.
By the way, guys.
Oh, it does. By the way, guys, we noticed in yesterday's video that the comments were actually working.
Oh my
So
god,
we're so excited to talk to you guys. We've missed you so much. It's so different without like comments being disabled. And by the way, that wasn't something that we did. That's something that YouTube did as like a safety precaution. Because there was like some bad things going around. So yeah. but we're so happy that we get to talk to you.
Yes, I was like so happy, and I was like trying to comment.
I never think that it's us, because I saw some messages on Instagram that they like some of our fans were sending us like, oh, you disabled comments, and that's not us at all. We would never do that. So
yeah, if you notice, like a lot of the channels were comments disabled because it's like.
Okay, so let's go to the next round.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so it's round number 5, and I'm so nervous to see what my button will choose for me for my slime.
Yeah, and it's between all of these glitters.
Yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna go for, I think my slime's going to be like purple, so I'm gonna go for purple. Oh, the first try!
Good job! Oops,
you
win.
I'm gonna add some purple. Good.
Okay guys, so now it's round number 6, and it's between brown glitter, pink glitter, blue glitter, or rose gold glitter. I love all of these, but rose gold is my favorite color, so.
Oh, the first try!
Oh.
Well, our luck is getting a little better.
Wait, who's winning so far?
I don't know. I guess it really just depends on who makes the best slime.
Yeah. It's not really like round with the other one.
Alright guys, so it's my turn, and some of these ingredients look really bad.
Yeah.
Like Play-Doh and melt slime, and yeah, really old slime with like cubes, and it's like turning green. Ugh, that's like my least favorite. And then we have dish soap and shaving cream. So let's see, buttons, choose my slime. Ready? I'm gonna go for, yeah, so I'm gonna go for this one. No! Okay, I think I'm gonna go for shaving cream. Why? Okay, it's down to those two. I don't know what to choose. I'm gonna go for, Play-Doh. No! Oh, that means I hate you, Button. I hate you. Why? I hate you. Oh, I'm so mad. Like Bella. That's a joke. I'm kidding, guys. By the way, it's fine. I don't mind taking out this really gross slime. Oh, God, I can't take it. Oh, it smells so bad.
Oh.
It's really bad.
Look at your hand.
Let's move on to the next round, please.
Yeah. Okay, so now it's my turn, and I'm not even sure what round it is. This is like round 7, right?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, so I love lotion, so of course it's not lotion. Let's try shaving cream. Okay. Actually,
Play-Doh. Oh, you got so lucky. You need scissors?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, scissors. I see them.
So you guys think it's better.
Some jelly
You
cube
got
slime.
lucky.
I like jelly cube slime.
So if it was like based on rounds, you would be winning. But since it's based on who makes the best slime, I still have a chance.
Oh my God, I cut these so horrible.
Oh my God. You need help?
Yeah. Okay, maybe if I cut it.
You want me to cut it for you?
Sure. I don't want to cut your finger.
Okay, my baby, I'll cut for you. Ah, the fly's back! You're back! If you saw yesterday's video, Jasmine is terrified of the flies. It's gone.
No, it's still there.
It's gone. Even I got scared. You scared me.
These are big chunks, Mom.
I don't know. They're good. Be careful. Thank God I took away the scissors from her. She would have been like, Okay, let's move on to the next one. I think that's enough jelly cubes. Oh, look, you can use this to file the pie.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so. Really?
Yeah, it's like a
She's
little.
buffing her nails with the.
Yes, my nails are gonna look so fancy. And I'm also gonna keep this for the rest of the challenge because I do not want any more bugs flying to my face.
The thing is that we have a backyard. We live in a house, so like flies are always coming in because the girls leave the door open. They're scared of the flies, but then they leave the door open. Well, Bella's not scared. She's like
She loves to go outside, and I'm always like,
she hates flies.
Yeah.
Okay. So, anyways, let's move on. I really don't care what I get this round, kind of, because I already have black, so I kind of probably would prefer black because I think at this point I have a black slime. But I don't know. I think I also like this. So, ooh, of course. Why would I get that?
Maybe flying.
Oh yes. Ah! never heard that before. Comment down below where's that from. Like, how you like me now? How you like me now?
Mom, you're gonna make a mess.
How you like me now?
What's
snowing?
Mom!
Who's gonna pick this up?
If you.
Super Dad! Just kidding. Super Dad actually just had surgery, guys. So wish him a speedy recovery down below because he only has one arm working right now because his shoulder.
Oh! I thought of it. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys something. Last night I was thinking about this all night. I couldn't get it out of my head. I couldn't fall asleep because guess what I was thinking about?
What?
I was thinking, since my dad can't really use his arm, what if I do a Not My Arms challenge with him and get him back for the time he sprayed lotion in my face?
What? Oh, you mean him without an arm?
Yes.
No, he still has his arm, guys. Don't get scared. He just has a, what's it called? What is it that you have?
A sling?
A sling.
Yeah.
I'll insert a picture somewhere here so you guys can see. Okay?
No, you won't.
Alright, so now it's your turn.
Okay. Okay, so now what are you doing with my hair?
Her hair's so long and pretty, right? I just want to like cut it off.
No! Kids, do not cut your hair off.
I'm just kidding. I love you.
I love you.
It's just her hair is so pretty. I just want to cut it off and put it on my hair and give me like extensions.
That's kind of creepy.
Okay, go.
I live in Cincinnati. Wait, iridescent glitter. No.
No iridescent glitter.
I was gonna pick purple.
Oh, that means you're stuck with the black. I was like laughing, but I didn't even know what I was laughing at. Oh, she got some black model magic. I wonder what that- We're both gonna end up with like black slime.
No,
Of course.
we're not. Well, you're not. Well, I'm not. You are.
You are, because model magic is like really thick. So you guys see? So I think it's gonna change your entire.
You know what? I'm gonna like do it this challenge. I'm not gonna be afraid. I'm gonna add in the whole thing.
Of course, you have to add in the whole thing.
No!
No!
This is have to happen to me. Oh, what if she wins? Oh no, I'm so nervous.
Okay, guys, so we just realized that we just finished all our rounds.
Yeah.
So who do you guys think is winning?
I'm just gonna take this out and throw it away.
We need to mix now. So let me get our spatulas. This one's for me.
This one's for you.
And this one's for you.
That's what my dad has been using.
I went to go use the bathroom and I was gonna say my dad. My husband, Super Dad, her dad, has been using this like back scratcher because he's like, scratch my back because he can't with his shoulder. And I'm like, babe, you're asking me to scratch your back too many times. So he got this from his dad. That's what Jasmine will use. I'm just kidding. I went to use the bathroom and I saw it. I was like,
The other day,
you want to scratch your back?
I love when people scratch my back. And the other day, I was
Scratch mine.
I couldn't find my hairbrush.
I actually got an itch right here.
Okay.
Okay. Here, now it's time to mix it.
Okay.
Here, babe. I know you want
I
that.
brushed my hair with that the other day because I couldn't find my brush.
I know you want it. Okay, ready?
Okay.
He's actually scratching himself with it. I want you guys to see. Why are you scratching your head? Really? You're scratching her fans? Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
That's enough.
Alright, ready?
Yes.
You need to get up and record close-ups because we need to show you guys how we mix. It's time to mixy all together. And let's see what I get. Oh my god. This does not look good. It's black.
Oh, it's actually pretty. It's like a dark.
It looks like it reminds me of Vampirina. Doesn't it? It looks like Vampirina slime. It does. It has like the white with the purple and the black.
Let's.
Any second now, Bella's gonna come in and say, what? Vampirina slime? Okay, so let's see yours.
Okay, so we're just gonna move this to the side. I want to see what color it would turn if I didn't have the clay, and then I'll mix in the clay. Oh, it would have been so pretty.
It would have been like a red slime.
Okay, now let's mix in the clay. Ready, guys? Oh my god. Help me.
It reminded me of Christmas.
It reminds you of Christmas?
Oh yeah.
Oh, Vampirina. Huh?
Well, I don't know why this is gonna sound weird, but mine looks like barbecue ribs with like. Doesn't it? It looks like the barbecue
Careful.
sauce with the ribs.
Okay, so our slimes will be activated in 3, 2, 1. So this is how our slimes turned out, and mine for sure looks like Vampirina. Like if you were to make Vampirina slime, this is what you would use.
Yeah, and I showed you guys to mix the glue first to show you like what color it would be, and the clay totally ruined my slime. It turned to this brown color.
Hold on. See? Oh, it's yours that smells bad.
Mine doesn't smell again. Yours doesn't smell good either.
Okay, well I guess they both smell bad. So, and my hands turn like really like scary looking. I look like I'm turning into a
I
zombie.
need a jelly cube. Okay, ready guys?
Guys, I think this was like a slime fail. Like, the buttons totally failed us. They gave us this slime.
You guys aren't
dirty
gonna believe
hands.
this. Oh my god.
And smells what?
I popped the jelly cube and there was the glues, but it was like swirl. Look at, wait, can you pop one? There's
Oh my
glue
god, yeah,
inside.
cool.
Let me show you guys, come up. Let me show you, ready? There's glue inside
Oh, that's
of
so
them.
cool.
I think they should vote for me now.
So this is how mine looks.
Oh, almost
Trying to make
finished.
a slime bubble.
Slime
I'm not
bubble
good at-
competition.
Okay, then you'll definitely beat me because I'm not good at slime bubbles.
I'm kind of good.
Let's see. I don't even know how you do it.
You don't know how to do a slime?
I kind of made one. Mine is pretty crunchy though. I like the texture.
Yeah.
So anyways, guys, we really hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Hashtag.
Team Jasmine or Team Mermaid Mom?
Okay.
Or you can name our
I was
slime.
gonna say, yeah, we're gonna name them. Yours is, you said brownie?
I guess.
And mine,
Team
can you
slime.
guess what I'm gonna name it?
What?
Hello.
Okay, so
Bella's always watching that.
Team Vampirina slime or Team Poo Poo slime, but still is the winner.
Okay guys, so yeah, that's the end of today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. We love you guys so much.
Oh my god!
Comment down below again which one was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time
We
JB
posted.
Squad posts a, wait a minute. I said JB Squad posts a video?
Yeah.
I meant we post a video because you guys are JB Squad. Okay, you get it. Anyway, we love you guys so much I can't even think anymore because you're driving me crazy with your slime.
What? You're driving me crazy. You're slime.
I love you. I love making videos with her, guys. She's my BFF. And Bella too. But, yeah. So anyways, we love you guys.
Bye. But I'm gonna put your slime on your hair.
I will put yours on your hair.
10 seconds later.
Guys, I just noticed that mine's, I'm gonna change the name to Zombie Slime. Look.
Yeah,
Isn't that cool? It reminds me of, what's his name? Zed from Zombies. I love that movie. Look.
mine is so stretchy. Watch.
Oh my god, I'm putting